Your network should power progress, not hold it back. With AlphaKOR's network support, your business stays connected, responsive, and always ready to perform. AlphaKOR supports 3,000+ businesses with top-rated service and partnerships that include Microsoft, Cisco, and Lenovo, because serious performance deserves serious backing. Crush downtime with rapid-fire resolutions and full-scale monitoring that never blinks. With AlphaKOR, slow networks don't stand a chance. Every connection counts. We build network infrastructure that's rock-solid, scalable, and optimized for performance from the ground up. Security is baked in. From VPNs to next-gen firewalls, our support blends performance and protection without compromise. No long-term contracts, no downtime excuses. Just fast, expert support built to fit the way you work. With a 97% customer satisfaction score, 89% same-day resolution rate, and over 30 years of experience, AlphaKOR delivers results that speak for themselves. Our satisfied clients confirm our excellent services. With fast response times and first call resolutions, AlphaKOR keeps your network running smoothly and your people focused on what matters. Stop waiting on slow support or slow systems. Request your custom network support quote today and put performance back in your hands.